Utos si US President Donald Trump ang paglalagay ng kanilang nuclear submarines malapit sa Russia.
Nuclear submarine.
Oh yeah, well we had to do that. We just have to be careful. And a threat was made and we didn't think it was appropriate, so I have to be very careful. So I do that on the basis of safety for our people. A threat was made by a former president of Russia and we're going to protect our people.
Ang hakbang ay kasunod ng palitan ng salita ng US President kay Russian Deputy Secretary Council Chairperson Dmitry Medvedev ukol sa paggigipit nito sa Russia. Sinabi kasi ni Medvedev na magkakaroon ng Cold War at mapipilitan silang magamit ang nuclear capabilities nila kung gigipitin pa sila ng US. Una nang sinabi ni Trump na bibigyan niya ng 10 araw si Russian President Vladimir Putin upang tumugon sa ceasefire deal nila ng Ukraine bago niya ito parusahan.